How to re-enable Microsoft Defender. If Microsoft Defender does not reactivate after using an earlier version of Defender Control software, follow these steps. Using the Defender Control application, we disabled Microsoft Defender for testing purposes about a year ago. 1. Download the latest version of Defender Control from www.Sordum.org. The download will start automatically after a few seconds. Extract the downloaded zipped file to your desktop. Run the program and enable Windows Defender. Two. If the activation process fails, we restart the system. If you follow the next steps without restarting the system, you may damage the Microsoft Defender. Caution. Three. After the system reboots and we see that Windows Defender starts working. The red X in the Defender image indicates that Microsoft Defender has detected Defender Control as malicious. Four. After Windows Defender is running, you must first update Windows Defender. Because Windows Defender has not been updated in a long time, it may not be able to update itself. In this case, you will need to download the offline update file to update Windows Defender. Don't forget to download the appropriate file for your system from the link below the video. Five. Run the downloaded Windows Defender update file as administrator and wait a few minutes. If Windows Defender is open, you might need to close and reopen it. Six. We updated Windows Defender without any problems. If you delete any Windows Defender alerts, scan history, etc., the Windows Defender indicator will turn green. You can also find the script to clear the Windows Defender alerts, browsing history, etc. in the link at the bottom of the video. Because it disables Windows Defender and leaves the system vulnerable, Defender Control is considered malicious by many antivirus programs. While Microsoft Defender is off, some malicious programs can corrupt or delete Microsoft Defender files. If this happens, you cannot use Defender Control to turn on Windows Defender. If you cannot enable Windows Defender by any method, you can use another security software instead of Microsoft Defender. You can find free antivirus links below the video.